Truck braking safety and efficiency rely heavily on high-quality brake pads, friction materials, and metallic-based mixes have long been trusted for heavy-duty applications. Bull Chemical's truck brake pads metallic mixture combines advanced technology with optimized formulation, delivering outstanding advantages that elevate the performance of brake pads mixes for truck fleets and manufacturers. First, exceptional wear resistance and long service life. Our truck brake pads metallic mixture features a high-strength brake pads formula, integrating premium metallic components that enhance the durability of brake pads friction materials. Test data shows this mixture reduces brake pad wear rate by 45% compared to non-metallic alternatives, while extending the service life of both pads and brake discs by 50%. Its robust structure withstands frequent heavy braking, cutting down replacement frequency and long-term maintenance costs for truck operators. Second, stable friction performance under heavy loads. Designed for heavy-duty truck demands, this metallic mixture maintains consistent friction performance even under extreme loads. The scientifically tailored brake pads formula ensures a stable friction coefficient range of 0.38 to 0.45, with fluctuation within plus or minus 0.03, lower than the industry average of plus or minus 0.08. Whether in uphill transportation or emergency braking, it provides reliable braking force, avoiding brake fade and ensuring driving safety in high-stress scenarios. Third, strong heat dissipation and high-temperature durability. Metallic components in the truck brake pads metallic mixture enable excellent heat conductivity, accelerating heat dissipation during continuous braking. It remains stable at temperatures up to 650 degrees centigrade, with friction performance declining by only 8%, far better than non-metallic brake pads mixes. This high-temperature resistance prevents material deformation and brake failure, making it ideal for long-haul trucks and harsh working environments. In summary, our truck brake pads metallic mixture excels in wear resistance, load-bearing stability, and heat dissipation, offering a high-performance solution for premium brake pads production.